Hello, this is Saifuddin. In this video, I am gonna show you how to make an Excel sheet password protected. You might have different types of secret data which you don't want to share with anybody. That's why you need to protect your sheet setting a password. So I will show you quickly how to set a password. Let's look at the screen. So you might have, so this is the sheet which you want to protect by using the password. Let's go to the file section and click info. Then here's the option protect workbook. Click on there and encrypt with password. Click over here. Okay, so here's we've already found the password section. So here's the precautions that you if you lose your password, then it won't be able to recover it. So I would suggest you please make a note and make a note or take a note and or take a paper to write down your password so that you won't forget your password. So your password might be case sensitive because you should use capital words, small words, and others special character to make the password strong. So here I'm just importing one password or something like that. Okay, next you will have to put the password in 2 times. Okay, so okay, yes. So this sheet has been password protected. So how we can see that? I'm gonna open this workbook again. Okay, here you see that this sheet has been password protected. I'm just logging in again. Okay, then you can see, you will be able to see that the same Excel sheet that I used to protect. Thanks for watching this video.